welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys my at-home blowout. I'm going to be getting ready with you guys today. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my at-home blowout, as well as the products that I love to use to keep my hair looking healthy since I've dyed it. I posted a TikTok on TikTok. I'll show you guys here, and a lot of you guys were asking me if I straighten my hair or how I get volume in my hair. So I wanted to share with you guys what I've been doing, what I've been using for my hair to just give me that at home. I just got out of the hair salon hair. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Blanca Yvette, and I do post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And for today's video, this video is sponsored by Foxy Bay. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. So as far as the products go, I am going to be sharing with you guys the top products that I love using for my hair. The product that I like to use to keep my hair just nice and toned, even though my hair is looking a little brassy right now, I am due for a touch-up for toner, so I should be going within the next 2 weeks. I'm probably going to go a little bit lighter, but when I come out of the hair salon, I'm hoping that it's like an ashy, like brownie tone rather than a blonde. I'm definitely not trying to go blonde right now. Maybe for the summer, if my hair gets light enough and long enough for me to be able to do that, I will probably go lighter. But for now, I just want to stick with like a nice, just ashy brown tone. So the shampoo that I like to use, so it's not a shampoo to actually wash your hair. This is just to obviously lighten and tone your hair, but it is by Joico, and it is the Color Balance, and it is a blue shampoo. So my stylist actually told me that you're supposed to wash your hair with shampoo first and wash your hair just like you normally would, and then you would add this into your hair. I also have one by Fanola, but I have been using this one. Just got my eye. I have been using this one right now, and then I'm going to switch to that one to just kind of see which one I like a little bit better. But so I have been loving this one by Joico, and I feel like it has kept my hair pretty light and pretty brown and just nice and toned. So I just followed, honestly, my stylist, her instructions. She definitely told me to just get a blue shampoo for brown hair, and then a hair mask that, you know, would repair my hair. So these are the things that I just got from her based on her recommendation. And when I got my hair done, I told her, like, I wish that I could just like know how to like blow out my hair the way that they do it. I went to cosmetology school, but I was never able to do a blowout on myself. Like, for you to be able to hold the brush and then hold the actual blow dryer, like, it's pretty tiring to do it on yourself. So she told me you should get a hairbrush, which I'm gonna get a little bit deeper into the video, but she's thebomb.com. Like, all those recommendations were based off of her. So the hair masks that I have been loving, so this one that I'm using is it's a 10. As you guys can see, I'm literally like almost out. It's a 10. I love their products. I've loved their products for a very long time. So this one is the Miracle Hair Mask, and another hair mask that I like to use is the Perfect Repair by Nature Label. And these two were the best reviewed on Sephora. I think it was Sephora or Ulta. It was like the top ones. It's a 10. I've always been comfortable, but this one, the Nature Lab, I have never heard of them before, but I did see that the recommendations were thebomb.com, so I decided to just pick this one up, and I have been loving it. I went through that one first, and I just started using this one. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bright, but I just started using this one, and honestly, if I had to rate these two, I would probably rate this one first and then this one. But this one does an amazing job as well. Sorry, excuse me, I just burped. Next one that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is Bedhead Small Talk, and this one is a cream. So this one says you use 2 to 3 pumps on your wet hair. I like to use this one to basically just like flatten out my flyaways. I feel like it works amazing when I'm straightening my hair, when I'm curling my hair. I get a lot of flyaways, like I told you guys, ever since I gave birth to Max and Camila. I have a lot of baby hairs. This is not breakout from me getting my hair done or anything. This is all breakouts from me losing my hair. And I was a little scared when I dyed my hair, thinking like, oh my god, is it gonna like damage it? Is it gonna make it worse for my hair to grow out? But this just kind of keeps it nice and tamed, so my hair looks sleek and it doesn't look like all frizzy and like crazy. The next product is It's a 10 Miracle Styling Serum. So I like to apply this when I also am doing my hair in curls or if I'm straightening it, and I like to use it actually as a finish and a starter. So I like to add it when my hair is a little bit damp, and I also like to use it once I'm done styling my hair, and it just gives it like that nice and bouncy like shine to my hair. So as far as the tool that we're going to be using to do the blowout, the tool that we're going to be using is by Foxy Bae. This tool is a blowout brush, and I'm going to tell you guys all of the details for the blowout brush because I don't want to like miss anything. But this is a hair dryer and a brush comb. It gives you the perfect blowout without ever needing to step foot inside a salon, which is true. I vouch for that because I'm telling you guys, I was obsessed. I have been using this every single day. Like, that's all I do now. It detangles and dries your hair while adding gorgeous body and shine half the time instead of having to hold a brush in the dryer. Like I told you guys, that is like super tiring to like sit there and hold your brush and like actually comb through it and, you know, get that perfect blowout. Not anybody can do that. So it is ceramic. It's technology combined. The tool itself actually heats your hair evenly from the inside out, and it's locking in moisture, reduces frizz, and it's silkier and straighter locks. And the tool itself actually has 3 speeds. You see right here it's turned off, and you have C, and you have 1, 2, and 3. So while I'm blow drying my hair, you guys are going to see me actually doing the blowout. I wasn't able to actually talk through the blowout because I would be having to like yell through my camera to actually have you guys like hear me, you know what I mean? But funny story behind this, I was at the salon and I was getting my hair done, and I was telling my stylist, I was like, I wish I could just take you home so I could just like have a blowout every morning and my hair would just look so nice and shiny like I just got out of the hair salon. She was like, have you ever tried like those hair brushes, those hair straightening brushes that, you know, actually blow out your hair, that you twist it and you can like curl your hair with? And I was like, no. I was like, I have never owned one of these. I've only owned like a straightening brush, and it would literally just straighten your hair. Like you would just pass it and it would just straighten your hair. So this one actually like curls it and like adds that textured volume to give you that like at-home blowout. So my manager reached out and she was like, hey, like a Foxy Bae wants to work with you and they would love to send you their blowout brush. I was like, ah, yes. I was so excited, guys. Like it was like the law of attraction. Like I was thinking about it. I was like, oh my God, I need to give me a brush. I need to give me a brush. And I needed to like search and see like what brushes were going to be good. And then they reached out, and then I was like, oh, like destiny just brought us together, you know? So I was so freaking excited. I love when companies want to work with me, and it's something that I'm like super excited to like try out for the first time, or something that I was already looking to, you know, try out and stuff. So I was super excited when Foxy Bae reached out. So thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. But I was super excited by them just sending the product for me to try out, and I fell in love. Like I literally texted my manager and I was like, I'm obsessed. Like I'm obsessed with this thing. I called Yvette. I literally was like, dude, you need to come over so I can do a blowout on your hair. The day that she ended up coming, she was like, dude, your hair looks so nice and like bouncy, and it looks like you literally just got out of the hair salon. I was like, Foxy Bae. So obviously you go through the 3 speeds, so just based off how hot and how much you want it to blow out. But I usually do like the highest one, and you guys are gonna see. So I just gave it like a nice little like touch up. But I obviously wasn't able to talk while I'm doing my hair, so I am going to go straight into styling my hair so you guys can see how I use the tool by Foxy Bae, and you guys can see how to get the at-home blowout. I also am going to be using my products while I am styling. These are just by preference. I love to obviously add serums and creams, but when I don't add them, I still get the same results. It's just for my personal preference because I have a little bit more flyaways. If you're somebody who doesn't get a lot of flyaways, then you don't need a product. Because the tool itself does actually like straighten your hair and like really just smooth everything out for you. So let's get right into the actual blowout, and I will see you guys right back. basically this is what my hair obviously looks like all blown out. You guys saw it since the beginning, but I wanted to show you guys how to get an at-home blowout. And mind you, this is probably like one of my favorite go-to hair tools at the moment. When I tell you guys I am obsessed, I am obsessed. And on top of that, I've never used one of these before, like an actual like circle tool. You know, like I mentioned, like I've only used one before, which you guys are probably familiar with, that I've mentioned before, and it was just a straightener. So with this one, like you literally get like that bounce and that volume. And with my hair being short right now, like I just feel like it needed like that little like you know. So I'm obsessed. It's super cute. I will have all of the products that I listed, I will have all of the products that I mentioned in the description box, so you guys can pick them up if any of you guys are going through a hair transformation or blonde or are looking for a hair mask or anything like that. I will have all of the products linked down below, as well as my new favorite tool by Foxy Babe. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick it up. But I do hope you guys all enjoy today's video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, and make sure that you guys let me know some products that you guys are currently loving at the moment down in the comments below. And if you guys have ever used one of these like blowout tools, because I'm shook. But yeah guys, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.